Suspension rods. Here's suspension rods. We need to remove this screw right here, and this screw right here, and this screw right here. 1/4 inch impact magnets. After we've taken the screws out in the back, your goal is to pull it towards you, pop it up, and then push it back. Like that. Alright, now we just tilt this cover over. It would be nice if you see these back low spots. See how that one kind of slid in? You can get this other one here to kind of slide in like that. And it kind of sits nice. Tool bag. Needle nose pliers. You're going to pick one hand right here. You're going to grab that shaft that's going to lift it up. Other hand, pull it off. Set it to the side. Drop it down. These have a little catch that'll grab it. So now that you've done this corner, go to the opposite corner. Do the other two corners. Alright, now that we got the top dropped, bring the top back over. Lay it down. You want to keep, you know the main cord harness is running down here. You want to keep that as close to everything as possible, so reach your hand under. Boom. 2. Alright. Alright, so we got 3 out already. This one here is a little caught. So, we don't know where it's from, but look. Each one of these, you're trying to pull the thing through here. Here it is. It goes up. That's what we disconnected earlier, right up there. You're pulling this out through here. So you know there's a hole in each one of these little spots. You see that? That's where you're pulling it out. So we know that's what's going on here. There it is. Grab one. See that little right there? That's what's going to catch it from dropping back. So I like to lower it about 3-4 inches. Boom. See the hole? Stick it through. You see how the catch goes up after? Do that on each one of them. Once you're done, it'll look like this. They'll all kind of been sitting. And you'll be left with this out of the package. 4 little cap pieces, 4 plastic covers. Set them aside. Alright, next we need to stand this washer back up. Hand, foot, watch that tub. Move it out the way. Slowly set it down. Let's do this top up again. See how it's caught right here? Just kind of pop it up. You want this tilted back and sitting in those grooves. I like to start with doing the back first so you get a little more free room in the front. In the front you can get this needle nose in there pretty good. Oh yeah, one of these too. There she is. Okay. Easiest way to do it is with a needle nose. Alright, I tried my best. Flip it back on now. You're going to line up each one of those clip spots with a groove and clip it in. Next we got to lock this top back in place. We'll take a little shimmy shimmy. I hooked those set those hooks in. Push down, slide forward. Slide back to you. There it is. Drops down. Now you push back. There it is. You'll catch it. There it is. Looking good.